So today I'm going to show you how to start up a Husqvarna leaf blower backpack. First off, just make sure you got your gas and oil mix in here. Cap. You're going to want to come down here. There's a little, basically, button that you're going to push. That's just to get the air out of the line. So you're just going to push this a few times. That'll prime the engine. We're going to take this. This is currently open. We're going to put it in the closed position. When it does get started, we're going to eventually move that when it's warm to the open position. But basically, we want to keep the choke closed at the moment. The other thing is, if this switch is in the up position, it means it'll stop the engine. Basically, it won't start. So you got to push this back down, and if you keep that down, it'll help to start. Now, they do say that if you put the throttle up just a little bit, it helps to get started, so that's what I generally do, maybe a third of the way up. So then we're just going to pull on the pull cord a couple of times. And as you hear it start up, this basically you can pull down if you don't want it to be running at full speed, and if you want, you can hold it up full speed. To shut it off, all you're going to do is take this and push up, and it'll shut the leaf blower off right there and then. Alright, well, thank you for watching. Hopefully that helps. Please subscribe and have a great day.